This is something we already discussed. So what do you see? You see a figure of 8 appearance with this thickened cortex. Which type? Listen carefully, guys. So there is a smooth figure of 8. No, closed lip, that's schizencephaly. Hypointense rim, this one, dear. Can you see? This, right? So this is what is very, very typical. Fine. Yeah, type 1. Okay, so smooth figure of 8 appearance is what is your type 1 lissencephaly. Type 2 lissencephaly is your cobblestone. Do you remember? उसमें तो आपको polymicrogyria type मिलेगा pattern. So cobblestone lissencephaly, I'll just show you. See this? Yeah? ये देखते सीधा दिमाग में वॉकर वॉरबर्ग और ये सब दिमाग में आना चाहिए मसल आई ब्रेन डिजीज ओके सो दिस इज व्हाट योर कॉबलस्टोन इज दैट इज एक्चुअली पॉलीमाइक्रोगायरिया वेयर इज दिस इज योर डिक्रीज्ड layer. So what happens in listen carefully here is you have a 4-layer cortex instead of a 6 normal 6-layer cortex. यहाँ पे 4 layer हो जाता है. So it's also a neuronal migration defect like we saw. So this is also a neuronal migration defect. And what else? So this is associated with pachygyria, smooth, thickened cortex, type 1. Listen carefully. And can you last question tell me the associated syndrome here? So type 1 is associated with Miller-Decker syndrome. Okay. But because they're asking syndromes, now you can talk about type 2 or cobblestone. So there you can talk about Walker-Warburg. You can talk about muscle, eye, brain. Yeah, it can be associated with your subcortical band heterotopia. So this is very frequently associated. There can be a cortex, another cortex here, which is your band heterotopia. Very good. Fukuyama disease. Yeah, that I was forgetting that name. So that is Fukuyama disease. So all of these are type 2. Okay. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this OSCE. It was fun, right? So, I mean, instead of spotters, we can just do this once in a while. In case 1, corpus callosum agenesis with heterotopia, yeah, it is associated. Corpus callosum agenesis. In fact, here you do see parallel oriented, right? So there could be corpus callosum agenesis in this case. Yeah, because there are parallel oriented. Yeah.